I burnt the floor. Literally burnt the floor. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be going grocery shopping here in Iceland in the store called Bónus, the cheapest supermarket in Iceland. I'm gonna be showing you the layout of the store, I'm gonna be showing you what I'm shopping, and then we're gonna go over some prices. Here in Iceland, Bónus is the cheapest supermarket. I've made a video before. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It'll be in the description down below. And yeah, let's go shopping. Well, now you can see what I bought. Here is... It's still on fire. Quick story time. I was trying to take a picture for the thumbnail, and then I thought I smelled smoke, and I did, and there was smoke everywhere, and the smell and the I burned the floor. Guys, I am still going to show you what I bought, how much it cost and everything, but I just, how does a person do this? Hey guys, so it's definitely been a while since I bought everything, so I actually don't have everything from the list, but I'm still gonna go over everything I bought from Bónus, how much everything cost, and what you can do to shop even cheaper in the cheapest supermarket in Iceland. Stay tuned, hope you liked the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. So I got very lucky with the things that were in the store that was not ruined, but getting there. So 50 kroners, that's not even like, that's maybe $1, maybe, for pineapple. And then these are the same price. They look fine. There's nothing wrong with them. And usually they go for the price of like 359. So 50 kroners, that's amazing. So these, oh my god. I've bought bell pepper or paprika before. Usually I buy 2 or 3 and they're about 100 kroners. I got, I don't know how many these are. Some of them are of course getting ruined, but I'll just use them tonight. And I got 8 or 9 of these for 99. And you know, most of them I think are okay. Like, I would have bought 2 of these for the same price. And my sister loves avocados, so for 50 kroners I got 6 of them. I don't know anything about avocado. I think this one is ruined. So for 50 kroners, these avocados, that's nothing. Usually they go for, I think, about 600. I posted in the video, so you'll see it. But yeah, 50 kroners. So these here, I'm amazed how I did. Cheap shopping in Bónus is possible. In Iceland, it's possible. Of course, it's a shame I'm trying to quit plastic. So everything here is already put in plastic for me. Here as well. But when you're buying this from the store itself, you can skip the plastic if you want. You don't need the bag. So that's a plus. Okay guys, so the frozen beef here was 998. So this is some frozen vegetable something. It has eggs in it, so if you're vegan then it doesn't really fit, but it's really good. And it's 995 kroners. So here we have the frozen fruits that I bought. This is frozen broccoli vegetable mix, frozen strawberries and frozen raspberries. So this was 298, 459 and 398. So this, guys, is vegan. It's super good vegan chicken. And for these, there are 4 inside of this. It's 495. I also bought the vegan beef frozen as well. I've already finished it, so I don't have it here. But it's 398, that one. So if you are on a budget in Iceland and you're looking for pizza, this one, honestly, even if it wasn't super cheap, this would still be my favorite pizza of all. Usually everything that has Euroshopper or the Bónus logo, it's the cheapest thing in the store. And this pizza was 198. It's 156 kroners in Bónus. So that's nice. This is gyoza. Gyoza is like vegan and Greek style natural yogurt. It's really good and it's only 298. Okay, this is definitely something that I burnt. But yeah, this is cheese bread with red peppers. Looks like this. And it's 469 kroners. And then we have this cheese. It was a bit bigger, and this cheese, it's not vegan if you're wondering. This cheese is 1,398 kroners. So yeah, like I said, it's been a long time since I actually bought everything, but I bought 12 of these. This is the last one, and it's 519 kroners. And then I bought this sauce. It's specially for hamburgers. It's called hamburger sauce and it's really good. It's Icelandic. And the price of this was 435. So here we have butter and it was 219. I bought 2 or 3 bananas and it was for 74 kroners. This is crispy fried onions and it was 109 kroners. Then we have this. I honestly don't know how to explain it, and it has the logo Bónus, so it's the cheapest thing out of everything. That if I could have bought this with this logo, it was the cheapest. I hope you get it. But it's 259 for one of these. This is sesame something with chocolate. It cost me 95 kroners. This is the stuff from Sola. And Sola is like organic, livränt, it's organic. And you can see all the logos here. Okay, don't come at me for this milk looking like shit. But I couldn't open the lid here after I burned it. Yeah. So like I told you, gyoza is vegan. This is vegan oat drink natural milk. It's super good. I recommend it if you're vegan or just don't want to drink normal milk, I guess. And it was only 239 kroners. So I bought this ginger spice and it was 198. Usually every spice or seasonal that looks like this, it's 198. They have, I think, 2 or 3 categories for every seasonal. It's just different company, but this one is 198. Then we have the chicken piece from Euroshopper. Remember, the cheapest thing in the store is from Euroshopper or Bonus. If you're looking to go as cheap as you can, then you go for these. So these were 95 kroners, but you have to have a can opener to open this one. I also bought sweet corn, 98 kroners. Also has Euroshopper on it. And you don't need a can opener for this one. Then we have instant noodles, my favorite kind. And it's 39 kroners. Of course, if you don't have anything to put them in, they have other ones with like a cup and has everything inside of the cup. But they usually go for a little bit more expensive. And I'm all about the cheap stuff, so this is what I get. Then we have this tortilla with whole wheat and it goes for 298 kroners. And yeah, it's 8 medium ones. So here we have cauliflower soup. It's supposed to serve 4 people. And this soup is 309 kroners. Then we have humblest. I'm so sorry guys, like I said, it's been a while since I bought everything. So I just kept it and then I'm gonna recycle it anyway because it's plastic. So this humblest, I think you know it, it's like not crackers, but if you know, you know. And humblest was 159 kroners. So this cranberry juice also has the Euroshopper logo, the cheapest one. And it goes for, I think, 95 or 98 kroners or 198. I don't remember, but honestly, I only remember it's super cheap. Chocolate cornies, that's 89 kroners. I bought frozen breast chicken and that's 1,495 kroners. Milk from the company Arna, and Arna it's lactose free, and that was 219 kroners. Then I bought something called cocoa milk. It's like chocolate milk and there's 6 of those for 575. These chips are 298. The yogurt is 169. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Comment down below if you would like to see anything from Iceland, from Bonus, from other stores, or from me. Ciao for now!